Welcome to the 2025 AZDroneFest Film Selection Party. Tonight, we come together to celebrate the incredible talent and creativity of aerial filmmakers from around the world. This event would not be possible without the generosity of our partners, whose support helps us continue to showcase and elevate the art of aerial cinematography. This year, we received entries from 8 different countries, each one demonstrating the power of drone technology in storytelling, innovation, and breathtaking visuals. Now, it's time to recognize the official nominees for the 2025 AZDroneFest International Film Festival. Here are the nominees in the advertising category. Here are the nominees in the Arizona category. Here are the nominees in the FPV category. Here are the nominees in the industrial category. Here are the nominees in the landscape category. Here are the nominees in the narrative category. Here are the nominees in the new pilot category. Here are the nominees in the still photography category. Here are the nominees in the showreel category. Congratulations to all 2025 nominees. Each of these outstanding films has earned its place among the best in aerial filmmaking and will be screened at our main event, where we will announce the winners of each category and celebrate those who have pushed the boundaries of aerial storytelling. Join us on March 15th for an unforgettable event where you'll get to watch all the nominated films, experience drone demos, hear from industry-leading speakers, and connect with fellow filmmakers and drone pilots. Don't miss your chance to be part of AZDroneFest 2025. Get your tickets now at AZDroneFest.com.